Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm very excited because I have a new RC here to unbox for you guys. Maybe it's not what you think I got. I haven't really said or hinted to me getting this kind of car, but I got it right here in front of me, so let's get to unboxing it. Alright, so I got the box in front of me. The only thing I did open was the box that it comes in, but I didn't open the actual box that the RC is in. So it's hard to do with one hand. Let's see. On this side. And there it is. There is the new car. Look at that. Alright, so let's so it's the Team Associated CR12 Tioga trail truck. It's a 1/12 scale, so it's a little smaller. Instead of 1/10 or 1/8, it's 1/12. It's a little smaller, 4x4 off-road truck. And that's the color it should come in. I'm pretty sure it only comes in this color. But let's take a look around the box. So it's our front box. LEDs. Comes with LEDs, ready to run, of course. Team Associated badge there. Let's see. Tioga trail truck. Same thing it says. Let's see the features. Look at that. Modeled rear cage, off-road, front bumper, metal front CVAs. Metal for link front and rear suspension, fully adjustable threaded fluid filled shocks, chassis mounted steering, servo, 13.98:1 ratio, 3-gear transmission with integrated motor mount, plastic low friction slider type drive shafts, 16-piece metal shield ball bearing set, water resistant speed control with high current T plug, brushed 380 motor, 850 milliamp ion battery, black anodized aluminum battery and radio tray with hook and loop down strap, black scale, 1.9-inch tires, soft compound. So let's see, those are the axles, transmission, the shocks, just all the actual pictures of what it was describing on the list right there. So it's the side, same things. Let's go to the other side, same thing. Anything on the bottom? Nothing on the bottom. Alright, so let's get to opening this box and seeing the truck. Okay, so I need to take a order. Okay, one seal. There's another one on the other side. Sorry, it's kind of hard doing this with one hand. Whew. Is that it? That is it. So, let me see if I can take this off with one hand. There we go. Oh, there's a truck. Look at that. So, what do we have here? What is this? Oh, the charger, some Allen wrenches, just a little Velcro strap. I think that's the bind plug behind that. And also some stickers and the manuals, of course. I think that's the radio or the control. Let's see if I can get this. There we go. There we go. There's the remote. Ooh, it actually comes with the double A's. Wow. I'll take this off. Trying to get my knife. That clock makes truck noises. There you go. There is the radio. And I'm very surprised it comes with double A's. Okay, I'm gonna get those double A's out later. But look at the radio. Simple radio, of course. RTR. Only 4 double A's, which is good. That's it. Can I do it with one hand in case I need a film? I can, a little bit, I guess. Alright, put that off to the side. And now, for the main thing. Alright, so I got the truck here all by itself. I moved everything else out of the way. Put this stuff off to the side. Okay, so I got the truck here, and it's still secured by some zip ties. So I'm gonna just cut those real quick. Okay, they're not cutting. There we go. That one's off. There you go. That one's off. And it is out. Is there anything else in here? Or something? No. Okay. Throw that away later. And here is the truck. Kind of small. Very like no foams in the tires at all. It's just the tires. So, of course, it's a trail truck. Everything feels pretty good. So let me give you a size comparison. Let me grab. Should I grab the Wrestler? Almost fell. So this is the next to the Wrestler. As you can see, it's like I said, it's a 1/12 scale. So it is a bit smaller. Fits on top. Yeah, so it is 1/12 scale. So a little bit smaller than a Wrestler. So you got a size comparison there. Put that back. Okay. So it's the outside. I like the colors. Blue is my favorite color, so the blue and the black and the white look good. So let's open this up. I think it just swings back. Yep, there it is. Boom, that's the inside. Look at that. So ESC right here. This is the ooh. Can I get this out? Why is that in there like that? I don't know. This is the battery that it comes with, the 850 milliamp battery, the lithium ion battery. I bought, so you could run lipos on these. I forgot how they said to do it. I think it says something right there. Choose US lipo crawler. Let's see. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'll have to figure that out later. But I'm gonna have to switch it over to lipo because I bought these 1500 milliamp 2S lipo, so almost double the runtime, and it should fit in here quite nicely. I could have got bigger ones actually. I didn't know how like actually big the battery space would be, but these will fit. Oh, these work. These are gonna work great. Look at that. So almost twice the capacity of the battery it comes with, and almost the same size. So just a bit bigger. But yeah, so let's take a look. Deans. I think I'm gonna leave the Deans on here. I don't really have like these come with Deans anyways, the batteries that I bought, so I'm just gonna leave them on there. There's no reason for me to change them. I have adapters for my chargers. The mounts for the motor. Oh my god, they didn't even cover these with shrink wrap or anything. I'm probably gonna go in there and cover them with shrink wrap. I don't like that they're just out like that. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely cover them with some shrink wrap. I can just unplug it from here and then slide the shrink wrap over. Shocks, body mount, servo. But there's not much to it. I mean, it's a trail truck, so pretty simple. But it's very nice. I like it so far. I like the colors. It's a good size. I wanted to get like a good little trail truck for my first, trail truck / crawler. And I like it so far. And it was very cheap actually, like for what you get. Team Associated 1/12 scale. It was $185 on A-Main Hobbies, which is, I don't want to spend $400, $500 on my first crawler, or first trail truck, so I thought, why not? Seemed like a good purchase. I mean, I just seen they just did a video on it on their channel, so I liked how it looked, and so I picked it up. Oh yeah, I didn't even show you the LEDs. Or the LEDs, I think they're on the rear too. Are they? No LEDs on the rear, but just on the front. That's still cool. Well, look at that. So just one last look into inside. Very cool. Very cool. Look at that. One last look at the outside. Gonna have a lot of fun with this. Gonna check it out to my local riverbed and stuff like that. Do some little trail videos. Well, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Tell me what you think. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.